Ready? Start. The past has encompassed eras of stone, bronze, steel, and concrete, while we currently find ourselves in the Silicon Age. Stop. Looking forward, the future holds promise for the quantum age. Stop. Recently, the Cabinet's approval of the National Quantum Mission (NQM) has granted India access to the exclusive club of nations venturing into the realm of cutting edge quantum technologies. Stop. This technology holds immense potential in solving problems related to computation, secure communication, sensing and metrology, personal medicine, and imaging. Stop. With the generous allocation of rupees 6003 crores over the next 6 years, India's burgeoning efforts in research and development of quantum technology applications are poised to make significant strides and propel the nation towards new heights. Stop. In a recent article, Shri Jitendra Singh, Minister of Science and Technology, Atomic Energy and Space, stated that with the announcement of the National Quantum Mission, India has secured a place on the global quantum map. Stop. Furthermore, he expressed that the quantum mission will bring India a step closer towards achieving quantum readiness and consequently leadership in the future. Stop. Classical physics is the branch of physics that was developed by Newton and his contemporaries. According to classical physics, when a bat hits a ball, the ball moves in a parabolic path, while striking a carom causes the coin to move straight and bounce off the edge of the board, changing the trajectory. Stop. The moon orbits the earth in an elliptical path, and it is possible to locate at any given point in its orbit. Stop. In contrast, a wave is not localized. Stop. When a stone is dropped into a still lake, ripples spread outwards. Stop. Waves oscillate and wiggle and do not bounce off each other when they collide, but rather interfere with one another. Stop. When two waves collide, the crest may meet the crest, resulting in a double wave, or the crest may meet the trough, leading to constructive and destructive interference. Stop. All of these motions are well described by Newtonian physics. Stop. Within the framework, a moving ball, coin, or the moon follows a definite path and occupies a specific point in space with a definite velocity. Stop. A ball moves like a particle, but light or radio waves behave like a wave. Stop. As the scientists delved into the microcosmos, they found that the behavior of atoms, electrons, and protons was peculiar. Full stop.